We have heard it from the authority. That is perfection. Go to the authority and hear from him the real knowledge, then you become perfectly knowledge. Actually, we imitate, we also go to school, college, hear from the professor, teachers. That is the process anywhere, either transcendental or material knowledge. The hearing is most important thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has recommended this hearing, very important in transcendental knowledge especially. Sāne sthita sutigata tanuāgamano bhi. If you want to know God, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's recommendation. He is recommending from the Shastra. He doesn't recommend anything. I think, I believe, perhaps, no. Not this nonsense. You are rascal, what is the value of your belief? No. Hey, it is this, here is the knowledge. It is Sushuma. We have heard it from authority. This is knowledge. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was talking with Ramananda Raya, how to cultivate spiritual knowledge, how to know the ultimate goal of life, sadha sadhan, what is the aim of life and what is the process to approach the aim of life. This was the talk between Ramananda Raya and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, Ramananda Raya began with Varnashram Dharma, the institution of 4 orders of social and 4 orders of spiritual life. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Iho Bhajya, it is not very important nowadays. Iho Bhajya, age kaho. If you know something more, better than this, karma tyag, sannyas, so many step by step, he said, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu denied. Yes, it is right, but it is not very important. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Ramananda said, quoting from the Vedas, Jnane prayasam madupasa namantaiva sanmukharitanga bhavadiyo vartam sutigatanga tanomi prayasa ajitopi jitapasi taistilakya. If you want to know who is God, what is God, then give up your this speculative endeavor. Jnane prayasam. Prayas means endeavor. Maybe like this, perhaps like this. No, give up this habit. Jnane prayasam udapas. Give up this bad habit. Then how? Jnane prayasam udapas. Namantaiva. Just become humble and meek. Don't declare yourself a great philosopher, a great learned scholar. No, that is not the process. I am a learned scholar, I can discover God, I can manufacture God. No, give up this bad habit. Jnane prayasam udapas, be humble. If you want to know God, then be humble. In the Bible also it is said, God is for the meek and the humble, not for the impudent. So, jnane prayasam udapasa namantaiva, then what will you, yes, I become humble, then what is my next duty? Sanamukharitanga bhavadiya vata. You just try to hear from the saintly person, devotee. Sanamukharitanga bhavadiya vata. Then what will be the result? That Sāne sthita sutigutanga tanuvagamano bhi. This hearing, becoming humble and meek, and if we hear from the devotee, who is actually self-realized, one who has seen God through the Shastra, if you hear from him, and never mind what you are. You may be a Brahmana, you may be Kshatriya, you may be Shudra, you may be a sannyasi, you may be so on, you may be American, you may be Indian, you may whatever you may be, that doesn't matter. Remain in your place. Sthane sthita. Simply hear. Sutigatang tanumang. Then one day, what will be the result? The God is unconquerable. Nobody can conquer. He will be conquered. Simply by hearing. He will be on. This is the process. Therefore he says, Susuma. Humble and meek and hear. Then you will understand God. Then you will understand what is religion. Then you will understand everything. Not only religion and God, but everything. Jasmini vigyate sarvamedam vigyatam bhavanti. If you simply know God or Krishna, then everything you know. Just like we are sometimes challenging big philosophers, big scientists, big psychologists and so on. What is the stand? Because we have learned something about Krishna. That's all. This is the Vedic injunction. Jasmini vigyate sarvamedam vigyatam bhavanti. If you have learned what is God, what is Krishna, then you learn everything. This is knowledge. Therefore they say they are, according to their description of the body, third class, fourth class, not even human being, these Dhammadhikas. And they are explaining about dharma. Why? Sushuma. From the right source, we have heard it. And whatever they are speaking, correct. The Veda Pranihita. What is ordered in the Vedas, that is done. And what is Vedas? Veda Narayana Saksha. Absolute. Narayana, spiritual word, absolute. Non-duality. Narayana words are the same. There is no difference. Just like we are reading Bhagavad Gita. Why? We are interested. Because Bhagavad Gita and this speaker of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, they are identical. So you cannot change the words of Bhagavad Gita. That is foolishness. Anyone who changes the orders and the words of Bhagavad Gita, they are rascals, they will not get any benefit. Because you cannot correct Krishna, what Krishna says or God says. That is not in your power. So these rascals, they want to interpret. This is like this, I think it is this. No. Krishna did not live for you, for your thinking rascally. No. Krishna is completely learned. Whatever he has said, it is perfectly in order. You cannot change. So in this way, we have to hear the right thing from the right person. Then the question will be, who is the right person? So, if we cannot select the right person is parampara. One who is following the parampara, he is the right person. Even though you cannot understand actually who is the Shastra says, these are right persons. Who? Sambhu Narada Sambhu Kumara Kapila Manu Prahlada Janaka Bhishma Bali Bhaiya Sati Bhayam. This is a statement of Jamaraj that I am also considered as one of the authorities. Bhayam. So here the Jamaduta said, we have heard it from our master Jamara. Therefore, whatever he said is authoritative. Thank you very much.